Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. Today we're at the track. We're at Winton Motor Raceway, and we're here at an event called Track for Days. So I'm going to be tracking my little baby, my little EG Civic, and it's going to be my first time, so I'm really excited to do this. I'm probably going to get all the passenger on board filming as well, and Sophie's going to be with me in the passenger as well, so that's super exciting. I'm kind of aiming for a time of anywhere between 150 to 2 minutes, and I think that's a pretty achievable time, so I guess we'll have to see how it goes. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get this started. So I've come here today with my friend Min. This is Min over here. You might have seen him in, I don't know. I don't think you've seen him. This guy was like, this guy is taking me in under his wing, and he's going to show me how to track my car properly. Actually, he guided me to track my car properly, which is really good. So he's got a, what is it, Pulsar Triple S?
Yeah, Triple S. Nothing special.
With an SR20 VE?
Yeah, VE. It's nothing special. Slower than a Honda though.
Huh?
Still slower than a Honda.
Yeah, so I'm going to be following this guy. So I'm probably going to be following this guy out on the track. And I'm probably going to follow his racing line because, you know, I've never gone out, and I guess he can show me the best way to go for the first time. Guys, I've got a chest cam, which is pretty cool. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel like Iron Man, dude.
Iron Man.
Iron Man with the heart. Alright, we doing this or what?
Yeah. I got a piss, but I might go one second.
I think we should go now, maybe, just quickly.
Didn't they ask us to grid up now? Oh, guys. This is pretty cool. I can't feel my cheeks. Alright, I'll see you in there. Man, this helmet is so tight. This is gonna be good, guys. First time doing this. Hopefully it goes well. As mentioned before, I'm only setting a base time for this. I haven't done my brakes, I haven't done my tires. I just want to get a time out there and then slowly modify it afterwards, which will be super exciting. So they're calling us into the track now, and we're gonna start driving around it. Yeah.
Good.
I'm gonna be slow. I think I'm gonna be really slow. See how it goes though. Oh. How do you feel, babe? Yay, let's go. Oh wow, the guy in front of me is really slow.
Oh, he's letting you in.
He just let me through. Gone through the apex in here. As we hit that corner, warming up the tires again. In again. Then throw the direction, change it again. Oh, this isn't bad. This is really comfortable. Actually pretty easy. I thought it'd be more scary. Wow, I'm really pushing these tires to the limit.
You are.
Look at these guys go, they're so quick. My goodness. goodness! Look at this car, it's like struggling to go through the corners because the tires are so shit. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, it's still going. Oh, I feel the clutch fluid is really warmed up as well. Oh, meant to go through here. Yeah, no, these tires aren't holding very well at all.
Actually, that's the first thing I was like, take the tires.
You can feel the clutch has died a bit too. Alright, let's give it some juice this time. Whoa, I'm cornering at like 100 k's an hour. What the fuck? This feels so scary. What the hell? All these cars are just passing me. My clutch is failing. So guys, that first session that I did was loads of fun, It, I don't know, I feel as if as you delved more into the track, it inspired more and more confidence, and I started really pushing it, tires were screeching. I nearly lost it as well a few times, which was pretty funny, and it's pretty scary, but I was able to maintain and grab that back onto the track and obviously hold it back on the track. But halfway through, the clutch died. So the clutch fluid burned. I had no clutch pedal at all, and so I was literally just revving it up, putting it back into gear, and driving around the track without a clutch. And so as we came back in, I was like, thank goodness. So Sophie and I ended up bleeding the clutch together, and now it's running perfect again. So I guess it's those few kinks. When you really push the car, you really find out what goes wrong with it. And I feel like the next thing that is holding me back is these tires, as it screeches and screams around the corner, which you guys have already seen the clip in. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The track was really fun. I ended up setting a time of a 159.1, so I was hitting that 2-minute mark, and I really wanted to get it below that 2-minute mark, and so that was my next goal, which I'm pretty proud of, to say, considering I hadn't been to the track before. Anyways guys, this is close to the video. I'm going to be doing more mods to the EG as well. I'm going to be getting new tires and new wheels in the near coming future, and I'm going to go back to the track, and hopefully I can shave some time off again. So I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. If you guys are going to the track for your first time, it's a really fun experience. You do need to bring tools just in case things do go wrong. And I guess the best advice would be don't push your car to its limits on your first go as well. Just go out there and have fun, which I did, and I thought it was great. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and peace out, and I'll catch you guys next time.